The learning is Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov. Mesechus Kesubos Perek Vav Mishna Yomi. Hamasi es bita istam. If someone marries off his daughter without any amount of nedunya, he does not say how much he is going to give her. Lo yifches lo mechamishim zuz. The minimum amount he has to give is 50 zuz. So every isha, although some ishas don't have nichne tzoin malug, every isha will have nichse tzoin barzel because they'll have this 50 zuz. Pasak lahachnisa aruma lo yomer habal kshachnisena lebeisa chasena b'ksusia machasav oida bebeisa via. If the father makes up with the future husband that he's not giving his daughter anything, and the husband agrees to that, so then the husband can't say, I'm going to wait till after the Nisuin and then I'm going to give her clothes. He has to already give her clothes while she is still in the house of her father, because that's her covet. If the Gabait Tzedakah is marrying off a Yisayma, he as well, the minimum amount that they have to give is 50 zuz. If the Gabait Tzedakah has a lot of extra money, then he should give her, he has to give her lafi her covet. Mishna Vav, Yisayma Shesiyasa Ima Eachem Midaita. If a Yisayma Ketana, who the halacha is that her mother and her brother can marry her off, and she agrees to this marriage. They gave her an adunya of 150 zuz, and she agreed. So even though she agreed, when she gets older, she's allowed to take what's right to her to give. The Gemara brings the Shita of Rabbi, which is the Shita of the Tanakama, that the amount is Isur Nechasim, which is a tenth of the amount that the father left over when he died. So if he left over $100,000, then the dunya would be $10,000. Rabbi Yehuda Omer, he say as habas harishayna yinasan l'shniya kederach shenasan l'rishayna. Rabbi Yehuda argues and says that it's not Isur Nechasim, but Pashas Rabbi Yehuda is saying it whether it will be more or less, meaning if they knew that by an earlier marriage, by a previous marriage, the father gave a previous daughter less than 10,000 in our case, and he would only have to give less than 10,000. If he had given more than 10,000, he would have to give more than 10,000. That's what Rashi says. There's a Taisus earlier that says from the Rach that he's not coming to be miyape the koyach habas to give more than Isur Nechasim. He's just coming to say that if they know that the father wouldn't have given a tenth, then they could give less. But not to say that we go basa the oimed hadas to give more. But a Kitzamaisis, that's Rabbi Yehuda's shita, that you go basar oimed hadas. So the Tanakama held it's a Isur Nechasim, and Rabbi Yehuda holds that you go basar the oimed das of the father. And the last shita of the Mishnah is sometimes his status change, which the Gemara explains. Sometimes he becomes more generous or less generous. So therefore, now that the father is dead, we just look at how much property, how much the Yerusha was, and based on that, we evaluate how much the Nedunya should be. Other Rishonim learn that the Shita of the Chachamim is the same as the Shita of Rebbe, also that it's a Isur Nechasim. The Taisus Rid says like that.